Welcome to EuroDB installation demo. EuroDB is enterprise-ready database solution based on open-source PostgreSQL technology. It's bundled with modules that enhance the core functionality of the database, which in turn enable the IT teams to utilize PostgreSQL smarter and more efficiently. In this video presentation, we will see how to install EuroDB on Enterprise Linux system after obtaining the archive with installation files from the customer portal. The basic installation procedure is guided by a semi-graphical installer that is shown after running the installer.sh command. After unpacking the archive and starting the installer.sh command as super user, we are welcomed by the installation screen. In the next screen, we can choose which components of EuroDB we want to install. The selection is done similarly to other terminal interactive interfaces, by arrow key navigation and selection via spacebar or by using the highlighted characters. Next step is to configure the installation further, by specifying the directory in which the database cluster will be initialized as well as basic connection parameters. Before installation begins, we are presented with the summary of options we have supplied. Now, we can proceed to the next step. During the installation, we can monitor the output from the yum command, as well as the summary of the initialization of the database cluster. The analogous screens will be presented for other components that were chosen for the installation. After the last component is installed, we will be presented with the screen informing about the successful termination of the installer. Now, EuroDB and desired components are available to use. It's worth mentioning that the process can be started in an automated way by using a kickstart file, which allows to select the components and specify the installation parameters without the need for manual intervention. For more information about EuroDB, please visit our website euro-linux.com/EuroDB. Thank you for watching this brief demonstration.